Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. The pillars of the charge are as follows. Whereas Article 179(4) vests Deputy Chief Executive power on the Deputy Governor.
The person who is here is the Deputy Governor, and we should limit our discussions on whether this particular impeachment has weight to impeach a Deputy Governor, and leave away the issues of trying to bring about the spouse of the governor or any other person.
We will be praying that you make a determination of the very substantive issues to this effect. Number 1, whether a case that was determined at the County Assembly can mutate so that by the time it is reaching here, it is a different case from what was at the County Assembly, or you receive it as an escalation and limited to what was done at the County Assembly.